Hey everyone, this is a template based off of something Chrissy O'Connell gave to me that you can use for the November conferences. It's set up pretty easily. It just has current grade for each subject, IXL diagnostic score, and any comments you wanted to put for each subject. And then I just created check boxes for you to go ahead and kind of go through quickly and select what you need to for each subject based on whatever work habit and success skill that you're talking about there. So that's the layout of it. A couple things to go ahead and actually use it and then share it with parents. One, you'll see on the bottom, I have 30 preloaded sheets here. They're all identical. They're all the same. They are generic names at the moment. What you'll want to do is change the name of each of these tabs, which is pretty simple. You can just hit this drop-down menu, go to rename, and then it will give you the option to go ahead and type it, and you can put whatever student name that you want. And then you can take these and actually organize them and put them whichever direction that you want. You can also take a look at all the sheets here. Just a quicker way to get through it. You can, when you get this, you're going to want to make a copy of it. So it becomes your own, and then you will share it out with your grade partner if you need to. To share this with parents when you're done, you have basically the easiest way is to go through and download this as a PDF. So when I go through and I go File, Download, PDF, and it will give me, my default is current sheet. So the one student that I'm on, this is the only one that would show. You can also go through and do the entire workbook at once if you wanted to just have them easily accessed on your desktop while you're doing the conferences. So that's a couple ways that you can share it out. If you have any questions with it, let me know. I will try to help you out, but hopefully this helps save a little bit of time